Hello students. Students, now we are going to cover our new topic, that is volume of cuboid and cube. Got it? You all know what is the formula of volume of a cuboid and volume of a cube. है ना? Just I am writing volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, or we can say depth, or in short we will write volume of cuboid is equal to length, breadth, height. Got it? Length into breadth into height. If you have given volume, length and breadth, and you have asked that what is the value of height, so you can find first thing, length is equal to volume upon breadth into height. If you have to find breadth, then volume upon length into height, and if you want to find height, then volume upon length into breadth. This formula we will use to find the length, breadth and height of the cuboid, and this formula will be used to find the volume of the cuboid. Okay. Now, second thing, volume of cube. Volume of cube is equal to, we can write edge into edge into edge. Got it? In place of edge, we can write length into length into length. Clear? Or we can write volume of cube is equal to A into A into A, or A cube. Clear? So volume of cube and volume of cuboid, you all know, you have learned it in the previous classes. Okay. So students, now we are going to solve the questions of exercise number 13.5, and first 4 questions you can do by yourself. We are starting from question number 5. Okay, and the question number 5 says the capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters of water. Find the breadth of the tank if its length and depth are respectively 2.5 meter and 10 meter. Students, first of all, you have to notice here that the capacity, that means volume. Capacity is given in liters, and length and depth are given in meters. Okay, so we have to convert this liter into meter cube, because we are talking about capacity means volume, and the volume unit of volume, that means cubic unit. Okay, so we have measurement that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. It is given in the question number 1, 2, 3 or 4th question. Okay. So given capacity of the tank, that is volume, is equal to 50,000 liters, or we can write 50,000 upon 1000 meter cube. Here we can write 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Okay. Now 0 cancel from numerator and denominator, so we have 50 meter cube volume of the tank. Clear? Also we have given length of the tank, that is L, is equal to 2.5 meter, and depth of the tank, that is H, is equal to 10 meter. We have to find the width of the tank. Therefore, width of the tank is equal to volume upon length into height. Clear? So volume, it is given 50 meter cube upon length is given 2.5 into height is given 10. Clear? Now 0 0 cancel. Okay, now we can write 50 upon 25. If we remove this decimal sign from the denominator, we will have to put here 0, or we can write 50 upon 25. That 25 1 is 25, 25 2 is 50, that is 2 meter is the height of the tank. Clear? So students, pause the video to be noted down.